This is the unboxing of a ASUS Republic of Gamers bundle. Let's see what's inside. This is the ASUS ROG Shuttle 2 backpack for up to 17 inches laptops. This is the GX950 laser gaming mouse. That's the Ranger compact case for a gaming mouse. This is the GM50 Mousepad. Let's have a closer look at the Shuttle 2 backpack. Here is a closer look at the specifications of the ASUS ROG GX950 gaming mouse. Here is the carry case for a gaming mouse and accessories again. Let's have a closer look at the ROG Ranger compact mouse case. That is the GM50 Mousepad. Let's see the specifications of it.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day everyone.